Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be giving you a tour of how to use this machine, the tattoo machine. So this is the cover of the machine. So now it comes with a pen. That's the tattoo pen. This is it, and it also comes with 2 batteries. This is what it looks like as well. So you're going to get this too, and then a cord. There are 2 types. The other one, the charger is not detachable. It's just an adapter and the charger head, but this one is detachable, so you can connect this to your power bank or your phone charger or whatever. Okay, so this is not part of it. This is my microblading pen. So since I'm going to be using the charged battery, I'm not going to use this. So you just roll this open like so, and you have this. Then you take this one as well, you roll it open. Oh shit. Okay, so and then you attach it like this, and yeah, that's basically it. So that's it for the pen. So for the cartridge, this is the one I use for practical, so that's why it's opened. So you just put it in like this and screw it in. And also this machine comes with an adjustable needle length, so you can adjust the length of the needle, make it smaller or make it longer. So yeah, then once you want to start, you click. You see the way it's vibrating. So once you're working with this pen, you want to make sure that your hand is firm, because it's the power of the vibration can make your hand shaky. So you want to hold it firmly, and then okay, I'm going to turn this over. So hold the pen firmly, and then I'm going to reduce the length of the needle because I don't want it to be that long. So hold it firmly, and then can you hear that sound? So this is me outlining. So I'm bringing out the needle more because it's not piercing the skin as I want it to. Okay, better. So when you're working on a client, you don't want to hear this sound. You want to hear sound. This is how the sound should be, like it's vibrating, not you this is so fine. Not you trying to pick the skin. You hurt the customer. So you just, when you're outlining, you put in more pressure. And then when you're shading, you go like this, you go like this. So you shade up, down, from the top of the brow to the bottom of the brow. So that's how you keep going. So you see that my pinky finger is giving me that grip so that I can move my hands easily. So when you get to the first part of that's the beginning of the brows, you want to reduce your pressure so that you can give that ombre powder effect. So you just go little by little, slightly, and then that is your first pass. Then you can come back again and start all over. So usually this part is darker than the beginning part. From here to this point is usually darker, and here is a bit lighter, so that I can give you that powder effect. So you just keep shading. So you need to gain confidence, so that, because once you are working with this for the first time, the vibration can move your hands, you know, out of the line. So you need to hold it firmly, and especially when you're outlining, you need to hold it firmly. So that's basically how to use this machine. And once your battery dies, let me use the other one. Once your battery dies, you just take your charger and you plug it to light, and it's going to charge. It doesn't show any indicating light. There's no indicating light, so you just charge and leave it on for like an hour, 2 hours, and then it's fully charged. Then you keep it back. So basically that's how to use the machine. It's very simple. You just need to keep practicing and practicing. Okay, so that brings me to the end of the video. If you have any question on where to get your machine from, on how to use the machine, whatever question you have, just leave it in the comment section. I will answer you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so